You run your own business, and you're driven. We salute you. It's not easy being on the clock 24/7, but a seamless system helps. Enter Galaxy devices and Microsoft OneDrive. Let's see how this duo lets you work from any device, at any time, and makes being your own boss a breeze. We see you're ready to get this party started. No surprise there. Go ahead and unlock that Galaxy Note 10. Your side key can do more than unlock, by the way. Why not have it open the calendar app? You can do that in the advanced features section of your settings. Great, let's test it out. Okay, there's the calendar. Wow, that's a lot of meetings. Better open OneNote in split screen to make sure you're prepared for them all. Opening apps in split screen is easy. Start by selecting the calendar in the recent apps menu and tap Set for split screen. Now, go choose OneNote. Choose the notebook, then section, and finally the page to work in. That covers your agenda, but your vendor may need to add some other talking points. Not a problem. Tap the three-dot menu, share it as an editable note or PDF, enter the email address, and send it on its way. Off to a great start. What else do you need for this call? Of course, photos. Go ahead and save these to your OneDrive for easy sharing and reference. Killer florals. How will you ever choose? Decisions. It's easy to add those saved files to your presentation, but maybe on a bigger device. Let's switch over to your Galaxy Tab S6. Here's where the integration shines. Take the photos saved on OneDrive and add them to your presentation on Tab. The bigger screen makes it easier to adjust the size of your photos and move them around within your slide. While we're using the bigger device, let's open Excel to get a closer look at the numbers. Whoops, typo. Nice catch. Think we're good to send that off? Shoot them an email with the file and get ready to practice your presentation. Now that you corrected that typo, your budget should be smooth reading. Did you know the S Pen can also function as a remote? Customize your options in Settings, Advanced Features, S Pen, Air Action. Now press to move from slide to slide with ease. Nice work. This is why you're the boss. Time check. You might want to charge before heading out. Luckily, your devices feature wireless power share. With the Note 10, you can wirelessly transfer power from your phone to your other devices. We're guessing that's for you. Apparently, there's no rest for the young and driven. We'll just see ourselves out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.